Guys, this is a 1997 Chevrolet Malibu, and the issue of this car, the power window on the driver's side, it won't go up but it will go down. So the customer already taped it so nobody can touch it. So let's try the passenger side. Oh, the passenger side doesn't work too. Let's try in here. Okay, it works. Going up. Okay, so it seems like switch again. So we had a broken switch. Hold on. How about this side? Okay, we can open the one at the back. How about the other side? Yes, it worked. So these two. So let me, because he said you can press this down. Okay, let just a little. Okay, that's enough. Then okay, it won't go up. Okay, because he said once in a while it goes up, but most of the time it won't go up. So again, let's see that. I press it high, it won't go up, but if you press it down, so you can see my finger or my hand, and then okay, it won't go up. So let's remove this. Oh, it's easy to remove. Let's remove this and let's check what's wrong with this. Whoops, hold on. Okay, let's remove this. I hope we're just gonna, because I don't wanna like open the whole. Okay, it's not really that. Wow, it's super easy. So now let's remove this switch. You know what, switches are really easy to fix. Just make sure not to like, let's turn off the overpower it, because it's everything are all plastic. So like for this one, see this, so do it slowly. Again, you don't need a special tools, you just need a flat screwdriver. There you go. Now first one is loose, and then the second one. Sometimes you can't avoid to break it, but oh well, it is what it is, you know. Okay, there you go. And now let's remove this. How to remove this? Different car, different design. So just take a look, and then just try to like learn how to remove it. For like this one, maybe just press this, and nope. Oh yeah, just press it hard, and then the other one, just press it from here. There you go. Now it's off. Now we can open this one and let's see what's the design. Alright, let's open this. So we are focusing in these two switch, the one on the front, the driver's side, and the passenger side. So again, different switches, different designs. So just try to look around on it, and it seems like you will just gonna sneak your flat screwdriver in here so you can open it. There you go. Then other side. Sorry if I block it. There you go. Now I hope you could see that. So when removing it, be very careful, you might drop very tiny parts. So from what I see, I wanna double check flashlight, so inspect if there's a burned parts in here, because if there's a burned parts in here and that's it, you're done. You need to replace the switch, but it seems like it's all good. So now in removing this, so let's try to use this flat screw. Oops, just be very careful. Sorry again, it's not easy to give you a good view, but just try to do like this. Okay guys, but anyway, oops. Okay, I think we could, oops. So guys, I'm just gonna try to check this one or learn how to remove it, and then I will just show it to you, because it will take a while before I will figure it out. Let me just give me a few minutes. I think guys, we have to remove this switch plastic cover first before we could pull this one. So in removing this, it's pretty straightforward. Just stick your small plastic screwdriver in here, and then there you go. Same thing in this side. Oops, just make sure don't break it. If it happens, then there's nothing we can do. There you go. Okay, just be very careful, and then now I think we could pull this. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Now we could remove this. Nice. So that's the cover. Now that's the mechanism of this, and it seems like still in good condition. It's just that it's dirty, so I might just gonna clean it up. And in cleaning this, guys, I'm using this electronic cleaner, so it's a nice spray. So our problem is in here, there. Let's also clean the other two. Okay, and the one there, especially this one. It's really black. Okay, then let's blow it with the air. Okay, let's blow it with air. See this? Oh, I don't know if you could see it, guys. I think I found the problem. See this black? It's really hard to show it to you because it's so tiny. This side, it's black. So I need to clean this one. Same thing in this side. Or you know what, I'm just gonna put a lot of cleaner in here. So this side. So let's soak it with electric cleaner and then let it sit there for a few minutes, and also guys, you can remove this, but it's just too tiny, so just be very careful. Sorry if I couldn't show it to you clearly, and then I think there's a spring in there. No, it doesn't have any spring. So as you can see the design, so let's just remove. Sorry, it's really tough for me to show it to you. Right there, we can remove this. It's already worn. We can remove this. Oops, there you go. And as you can see there, I don't know if you could see that. Let me get the flashlight. Right there. See the one on the top, it's clean, but the one in the bottom, it's super dirty. So I'm just gonna clean it up. Remove the gunk. Right there. And I guarantee you this will gonna work. Spray it again. Let's submerge it with that. Then see this guys, small piece. And then I'll just clean it too. I'm so sorry if I couldn't show it to you because it's too small. Guys, you can also use a sandpaper to remove this, to remove the gunk, so the connection will be really good. Same thing on the tip, both edge or tip of this connector. Also the tip, just bend it a little bit. So after we clean all the small parts in here, now we can put back this. So I couldn't show it to you because it's really small. Go. Now let's put back this one. There you go. Nice. Alright guys, after we clean this, actually we can install this without putting the housing in. Let's see if it's gonna work. So let me put this first. Alright, just put it in here. Here. Bro, nagpack muna ako doon. Thank you. There you go. Now it's in. Now let's turn on and let's try it. Wow, nice. See this? Before it won't go up. No, it's going up. Down. There you go. It's going down. It's going up. How about here? There you go. Oh, it's easy fix. Let's just put this on the housing and then let's test it again. Let's check. So driver's side. Passenger side. Up. Driver's side. Going up. The one's to rear. The other one rear. Alright. So there you go, guys. That's how you fix a power window that won't roll up. You don't need to like change the power window motor. Mostly the culprit or the problem is the switch. So just a little cleanup and adjustment on the small parts inside this switch, and your power window will gonna work. So that's it for today, guys. If you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video, guys.